Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share a news with you. My 21-day Natural Glow Experience course is officially live. This program is designed for anyone who wants to naturally lift and rejuvenate their face to glow from inside out. It's a 21-day guided journey filled with follow-along practices, in-depth demonstrations, and the science and design principles behind each exercise. We will also learn how to blend your own facial glow oil, combine beauty-boosting nutrition, and even explore how your mindset and energy affect your skin's radiance. In today's video, I want to give you a little preview. I will show you one of the most popular exercises from the course. This exercise actually reflects one of the design philosophy of the program. Whatever result you want to achieve, we always start from the root principles. For example, if our goal is to lift and reshape the fascia, we first need to understand which areas to focus on and what kind of techniques to use to get the best result. Okay, and this is just one small part of one lesson. The full smart lifting session alone is about over 20 minutes long. Throughout the 21 days, you can interact with me directly, share your progress, your feelings, and your questions anytime. And I will guide you step by step. Everything you learn in this program can be applied to your daily life. It's truly valuable and practical experience. And right now, we're offering an exclusive 75% discount for the next 3 months. If you want your skin to naturally restore its glow and elasticity in just 21 days, click the link in the comments below and join the experience today. Remember, beauty begins with self-healing.